this is the folding rib that is designed to be quick and easy to get on the water. And as you can see, it's actually got the solid GRP hull, the keel strip on it. But to fold it out, it's literally a 2-second job. Now, the nicest thing about this is you've also got no airflow to inflate, so she's got about 5 minutes to get her on the water, and more importantly, pack away and put it in the back of your car. And this means that if you actually do hit rocks or anything, you're not actually going to put a hole in it unlike a normal inflatable. So she's not only quicker to use, she handles like a rib, she's the ultimate, in effect, tender that's on the market. And sadly, there's nothing else like this at the moment. But this is the FRIB 275 from National Marine Services.
And to fold it up, how quick is it? Go on, show me. How's that, guys? That looks good, eh? So next rib. And I'm going to give you some details on. I've got that, and I'll take that with me. But I've got some details on that. They're on Google. I'll see you later.